In the frozen silence of Antarctica lies a fracture in Earth's story. A cosmic visitor, rich in carbon, struck our world and set histories in motion. From embers and pressure came fuels and firestorms that reshaped the planet. Across continents, ancient memories survived in maps, myths, and stone. Science meets legend as we trace the scars beneath ice, oceans, and mountains. This is the Antarctic impact theory. A hidden swell in Earth's crust can travel like a tide, crossing oceans and slamming into continents. Follow that energy and you can read a story written in stone, belts, ridges, and faults aligned.
From the 90 East Ridge, you can trace a guided path of stress toward the Himalayas. When the wave meets a boundary, compression localizes, rock stacks and ranges climb.
It's mechanics, not fate. Geometry focuses force where the crust is primed to yield.
Across the Americas, Uplift concentrates where the wave stalls, Andes on one side, Rockies on the other. Rapid stacking doesn't need ages of steady push, it needs stored energy released in the right geometry.
The map isn't random. It's a fingerprint of how the planet absorbed a global shock.
Not all energy makes mountains. Some of it shears, sliding crust past crust along long faults.
Left lateral, right lateral, the blocks tell you how the stress moved and where it tried to go.
Simplify it, push, slip, release. The pattern is written along the San Andreas.
In Peru's foothills, dust lifts as the ground trembles. Layers that should take ages pile in an instant. Not every bone survives a storm like that, but enough do to whisper what happened.
Signals in the strata, grain size, chemistry, shock features, converge on a rapid burial story.
Across a world of ridges and faults, the same pulse shows up again and again.
Follow the carbon, and you'll see what burned, what buried, and what turned to oil and coal.
Next, firestorms and black gold. How a world of flame seeded the fuels beneath our feet.